I have another Scrawlrbox. This one, let's see, is for January 2022. I'm not going to tell you how many more of these I have to open. We shall just do them one at a time because it's a little embarrassing and I don't want my husband to know. So let's see what we got here. I don't know. Oh boy. I don't know why I bought this. Okay. So I kind of knew what I was buying when I bought them. But I don't remember my motivation behind each thing. Okay. So this is ink, obviously, of some sort. Yes, this is some kind of ink. I think. I don't know what a deco brush is. Is it ink? Yeah, it's something. It's something. I don't know why I draw on myself. I get so dirty at work. This doesn't even bother me. It doesn't faze me getting messy here. So we have a pencil. We have a micro. We have this. We have candy. Okay. And paper. We have paper. Huh. Root. Okay, I guess I'll figure out something. Cool. Swatching is completed. As you can see, I found it very... Okay, so when I bought these Scrawlrboxes, I was trying not to get the paint markers. And I guess technically these aren't paint markers, but they're pretty close to paint markers. Anyway, this is a challenge, so I'm going to figure out what to do here. This is not my piece, but I think it turned out pretty cool. As you can see, it's a guy, little 8-bit with a sword, jumping over some boxes. I was testing, okay? This is not fun. I was testing the shading. It just happens to be that he was fighting this little squiggly, half-invisible monster. The prompt was creature comfort, so I decided to do something completely stupid with these kind of markers and make a very detailed sketch of a dragon and whatever the hell that creature is, protecting their gold hoard. Oh boy, wish me luck.
Escape.
my finished piece, and I absolutely hate it. I hated it so much that I didn't record anything immediately after finishing. I decided to wait a minute and not do anything stupid. Paint markers are not designed for details, but that is not the problem I have. The problem I have is this. As you can see, all these colors are on one side of the color wheel. One side. Which means that shadows had to be done completely using this, instead of what I'm used to, which is using these for shadows. And yeah, so the black is my only way to shadow this whole thing. I tried my hardest. I don't like it. I like some parts of it. I like this. I like this. That's about it. So I actually am going to do a second piece, and I'm going to have redemption here. I made an equally detailed drawing because I'm going to challenge myself. Why not just go for broke? The difference with this is I'm going to limit my color. I am going to put color in select places and treat this as a black and white drawing. That way I don't have to worry about shadows. Here's my finished piece. Oops. Yeah, I like it a lot better. A lot better. As you can see, I saturated the color where the shadow is, right here. And then anywhere the light hits, which is here and here, it's much less color. So that's how I fixed the shading issue. And yeah, I find it much better than this one, but some people might like this better. I don't know. Let me know which one you like better. Here or here.